Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to be making lotus flower and blue opalized wood earrings. So these are some new blue opalized wood pieces we just got in. The coloring on them is beautiful and they're drilled at the top. So we're going to make a pair of earrings out of them. So today I'm going to be using 24 gauge brass wire in a silver color, and I've cut my wire about, I don't know, 2.5 inches is my guess. And we're just going to want to go ahead and string on our teardrop, and then we're going to want to push both sides up so that they crisscross at the top. And then I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm going to, at the top of the point, manipulate it so that it goes straight up. And this gives this wire something to wrap around. So I'm just going to hold this right here and just wrap this wire around. I'm going to coil it around 2 or 3 times, and then I'm just going to cut off the excess wire. Then I'm going to take my pliers and put them right at the top, and I'm going to bend this top part at a 90-degree angle. And then once it's there, I'm going to put my pliers right here where it bends around, and I'm going to create a little loop. And then I want to go ahead and attach this lotus flower to my loop. And then I'm just going to hold that loop at the top, and I'm just going to coil this back around until it meets the bottom one. And then I'm going to cut off my excess wire, and then that's attached. So then the next thing that we want to do is just attach the ear wire. So we're going to attach it and pinch this closed. And that's all you need. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.